Engineering and manufacturing skills create opportunities. They give people exciting career prospects, higher paid jobs, and a sense of achievement. They enable the growth of businesses, sectors, and the UK economy. And they are essential to designing, making, or maintaining solutions to the problems people and societies face. But changing technologies and challenges can make it hard to know what skills to invest in, for now and for the future. As a result, people, businesses, sectors, and communities are missing out on opportunities because they haven't got the right skills to seize them. As the specialist awarding organisation, endpoint assessment organisation, and skills partner for industry, EAL ensures that people have the right engineering skills at the right time. They're designed by engineers for engineering success. We develop and deliver apprenticeships and standards, qualifications, programs and courses with employers, so the skills keep up with changing industry needs and the net zero transition. We strive to provide service excellence and support to our partners and their engineers by placing them at the heart of everything we do. Our endpoint assessment and recognition services are designed and maintained by industry and assessment experts who really understand what employers and educators need so that skills are evidenced and trusted. Our decision-making is driven by what's in the best interests of the UK's engineering and manufacturing industries. We constructively and collaboratively challenge the way things are done. We apply the same quality to everything we do, regardless of the size of the market it serves. And we reinvest our surplus in charitable activities to benefit engineering and manufacturing. That's why we're trusted to ensure that people have the right engineering skills at the right time, enabling engineers and employers to seize growth opportunities while working on the solutions needed for a more sustainable world. EAL qualifications, assessments and skills solutions by engineers for engineering success.